she has more friends than me saying that. Like Shamita has a very friendly hello, and she's like, don't come close to me kind of hello.
Yeah, don't give
She
the
has
secrets away.
Yeah, and it's very distinct. So I recognize it. So if she doesn't know you and she does not like you, she doesn't like your energy, say hello to me. I'm Shamita. Yeah.
Hello.
What rubbish.
And then if she likes you, then say hello to me.
Hello.
Hi. So she's like, you know from a hello.
Yeah, I can't fake
Yeah.
it.
You, on the other hand, I have heard that it's very difficult to get you angry. How often do you get angry and how often do you get angry?
Wow. I think we both get angry.
Shamita, when is she
but
not angry?
no, I think our ways of expressing anger are a little different. Like for me, I go quiet. And my silence is something that can be quite scary, I think,
Yeah.
for some
Silence is
people.
better because silent ho jao, nahi to main violent ho jaunga type of thing will happen.
Yeah, I apparently have more of a temper than my sister.
Don't act as if you don't know you have a
No,
temper.
I just wanted to know that you also have a temper.
I have a temper. So
Yeah.
so if people
Yeah.
think I don't, I'm human. I mean,
Yeah,
how can I do
exactly.
that? No,
Yeah.
but my thing is I really have to be pushed and pushed.
Yeah.
I will tolerate it.
She's very patient.
I'm
Yeah.
very patient.
Yeah.
And then if it happens again and again and again, I also go silent. But then I'll phato and then I'll go silent.
Yeah.
When she comes out with my friends, and we share common
Common
friends as
friends,
well.
yeah.
So she's like, she'll just suddenly get up and she's like, okay, this is very boring. So you're only talking about kids and diapers and illnesses and our conversation now because we've got children
And diet, and
Yeah.
you know, I mean, hello, on
and
a
she's
night
like, okay,
out.
this is very boring. So then she just leaves the room.
You know, even I have a sibling who's like 10 years older to me, and I'm the younger one. So clearly, I understand what you must have gone through, but I don't know if you are.
I'm not 10 years older than her.
No, you're
She
fine.
doesn't even call me Akka. This is a big problem now while I'm on this show, I have to say. I am 3.5 years older than Shamita, and I waited for Shamita to grow up. You know, it's that stage when you're like, when you are 5 and the child is,
One and
your
a half,
sister
yeah.
is 1.5. You're like, please grow up. I want somebody to play with. And then you reach 8, and then she's still 5.5. And then you're still like, okay, grow up. Then you reach 10, and then she's 7. And then suddenly she grows horns. And like, why didn't you just stay a child? And so then she reached that stage where my mom tried very hard amongst us bunts that the younger sibling has to call the older sibling Akka. This one was too feisty and too rebellious. She said, she's just 3.5 years older. She is Shilpa. She never got down to calling me Akka ever.
But when she was born, you were only 3.5. Did you have those emotions where, like, you know, you felt that, oh, अब तो मतलब कोई मुझे नहीं देखेगा, अब तो सारा attention उस पे जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
She used to come and pinch me in the crib.
Apparently, my
yeah.
father said to me,
What?
God
Yeah.
bless his soul, I did feel a little left out in the first year because Shamita, firstly, when she still is very fair, and I was dark complexion, so I think I was going through this whole insecurity phase in my life. So I kept asking my mom questions like, why did you make her fair and why did you make me dark and all of that. So in the night when she was sleeping, apparently a couple of times I would go and pinch her to make her cry. I don't believe this story, huh? This is made up.
No,
This is
but
a
we
figment
all
of
do
somebody's
that.
imagination.
Listen, when the child is really cute, I've done it.
Yeah.
You kind of,
What?
they only sleep all day, so then you want them to wake up a little, then you go and like pinch them a little, you know, to wake up. Come on, don't tell me you've not done that. I mean,
No!
seriously, of course you've done it.
I hope you didn't pinch me, Ann.
No.
But you know, apparently I had read somewhere that you burnt all your childhood pictures. Beyond a point. What is the logic behind
I
that?
didn't burn them. I tore them.
So
No,
there are
you know-
pictures of Shamita.
Listen,
From the
yeah,
internet,
okay,
let me
now
tell you
let
the
me tell the story. I'm scared. You don't tell the story. Listen, for starters, I was such an awkward child. I had this taupe haircut. Yeah, I don't know why mom only gave us this haircut that was, you know what
It
I
was
mean?
like
Looked
something
Katori.
Yeah, the
Katori.
katori. Yeah,
We
the
called it
katori,
the katori
haircut.
She
And
was trying to save 20 rupees. Why couldn't you just take us to the salon?
Seriously. And also, I had I had gaps in my teeth. I was
No,
like,
you also had bhakti.
Yeah, thanks.
the little like
yeah,
this.
there's a reason I
Sorry.
don't want you to tell the story. So, you know, in
So
every
no. Also, let me
picture-
tell him how you used to smile.
Fine.
So once she came to my sets and she was, I was shooting with Chichi, Govinda. So Shamita came on the set and he said hi to Shamita. So Shamita went,
What rubbish?
something's wrong with this child.
Shut up. What rubbish.
What
Don't
is
make
it?
He
that
came
up.
up to me and he says, Mari Ben. Her thing was she used to not smile also
I used to
in
not
pictures
smile because I was
because
so
of her
conscious
bhakti.
of my
Yeah.
teeth.
Till she had braces and all of
So when I grew up and I saw my pictures, I couldn't understand what I was trying
Doing.
to do in those pictures. I just looked really weird. So I tore myself out of
Yeah.
pictures.
So
Of
she
all
started
the
tearing
pictures?
her
Yeah.
picture.
Yeah.
So they up to age 8,
Yeah.
there are pictures of Shamita after 8, between 8 and 12, between 8 and 14. All the pictures are gayab.
Yeah, I think I had issues.
How often did you guys fight when you were kids?
Oh, so much.
On what things?
Arey, what all does she tell
Rubbish.
you all those stories?
Rubbish.
I have locked her in the cupboard. Like my parents both
She was
worked.
so mean to me. I used to get scared of darkness.
So Shamita
yeah.
and I were really naughty. Sometimes we'd get into these really nasty fights. So I remember once locking Shamita in Daddy's cupboard. So then when she got out, Mata Chandalini came out. She has thrown something at me and then there was some work happening in my house, so I've thrown one Sanmaika piece on her face and she's
Yeah, I have a cut.
she's got a cut.
I have a
Nazar
cut.
nahi
Because of
lagi
that?
tumhe.
I have a permanent mark because she
So
has
we
taken
were
a
like
piece
that.
of that Formica ka piece and cut me.
So then
Oh
my
my
parents were
Yeah,
so
and
fed up.
I am supposed to be the one with the temper. Yeah, I'm just saying this on
I was
camera.
just good at
so, you know,
dodging.
this
Just
proves-
for your information,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was
but
good
she
at dodging. Just don't
Agility.
think that because she
I
got the
don't
scar,
think so.
she didn't attack me. So then my parents were both so fed up of us that they decided to separate us. Okay, and they sent me to my grandmother's house. And then she and I were both miserable and we couldn't live without each other. And then she begged for me to come back and I begged to go back and we promised
Yeah.
that we wouldn't fight with each other. This was that
This is for how
moment.
many months that you guys stayed or days?
So I think when we were small, when we were really young, we used to fight a lot over
Yeah.
very basic things. But you see, as you grow up, I think
Yeah.
we became closer after we sort of
Actually,
grew up.
we became even closer after I got married. I think 15 years ago, we really kind of started
Yeah.
bonding. 15 years ago, up until like 15 years ago, we were still sisters. We obviously, we understand that blood will and is always thicker than
Yeah.
water. So
Yeah.
we know that. So if there was ever a situation, she would share it with me and I would share it with her. But in terms of closeness, becoming aware of the fact that we need to focus on sisterhood happened 15 years ago.
First of all, I want to ask you, how often were you guys compared to each other? Because
gosh.
when you came in the industry, you came in as a complete outsider, and you were making these movies and people were respecting you. When you came in, you were known as Shilpa Shetty's sister, and the comparisons happened way before your first film would even release. I mean, did you have that in your head? And have you been compared even when you were kids, like studies and stuff?
I think growing up, when we were younger, as far as comparisons are concerned, I always say this, I think Shilpa was always a better child. I'm saying this.
मुझे नहीं बोला
So maybe to some extent my parents expected me to be less rebellious and more like her. Growing up, when I got into the film industry, I did hear about natural comparisons,
Yeah.
happening with siblings and all of that, but I didn't really understand how bad it could be till I actually joined the industry
Yeah.
and I faced it myself. I fail to understand how people expect two people to be the same or do the same things or have the same amount of talent. But I did face comparisons and I think I still do
Yeah.
today. You see, when I was in school, I was, this really good athlete and I was me, you know what I mean? But when I got into this world, it was very difficult to sort of have my own identity.
Yeah.
And I felt to an extent the press also was not very kind with me.
Of course they are. not.
But having said that, in time you kind of learn to, like I said, ignore and understand.
Endure.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Endure, and it just sort of, it makes you stronger.
When the noise got to you, did you talk to her and did you guys have a conversation about it?
Yeah, I knew.
Of
I went for
course.
her first audition. So I was still an actor at that time.
Yeah.
I was still doing I was still in the movies, and I was actually. I think this is the first time I would ever admit it. I was actually scared. I thought I wouldn't get work after this, because I always felt that she was a much better actress. I still believe that. She was a much better dancer. She was fairer. She was better looking. So I said, यार अब मुझे काम कौन देगा इसके बाद? So
Seriously?
I've never expressed this. So I remember Shamita was offered Lagan, and Aditya offered her Mohabbatein.
Yeah.
She auditioned for Lagan, and she even went through.
Yeah, the
and
look test.
Then it was that whole decision-making time that she had to decide, you know, who was a better choice to go with for her at
No, it
that
wasn't
point.
that also. I think dates were also clashing.
Yeah, and both wanted their film to you know,
Yeah.
be the
Yeah,
first.
so it kind of
And
got
both released
difficult.
on the same day, if I'm not mistaken, right?
I don't remember.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.